Hi, I'm Kaz from What's New in Electronics. I am at the ASYS Technology Days and I am joined this afternoon by Thomas. Good afternoon, Thomas.
Good afternoon, Kaz. Hi.
Good to see you. What a fabulous event you have here again after 4 years, thanks to COVID.
Definitely, yeah. We are really looking forward for the event, yeah.
And so tell me, what's been going on in this hall at the moment?
Yeah, in this white hall we show the Smart Factory. This means right now productions are only related to SMD factories. But you have to take a look or into consideration the material preparation and also what's going after the SMD production. And in this area I'm standing right here, we're showing the smart intralogistic. So this means material preparation, material traceability and also clever feeding of component use.
Fantastic. And in terms of the rest of the story, so could you explain a little bit more of the other areas that we have here today?
Of course. Normally everything is linked together. Yep. Everything is connected by our software suite Pulse Pro. It does not matter if I have a batch of PCBs or I have component wheels. We know where the material is located, and of course we know also where the material is needed for the next step. So this area is for the preparation, for the start of the production, let's say it like that. So everybody knows what is coming to the production line, how to handle it and what to do next. So that there are no operator failures and no missing material, that there's no stop of production.
Fantastic. So you're saving time and money, most importantly.
Time and money, definitely, yeah. The whole idea behind that is to raise the efficiency. To raise the efficiency of the operators and also of the machines. So the customers in the end have more output and more generation of value.
So Thomas, whereabouts are we now on the journey, in the process?
So the material was prepared, so we know what to do next, and right now we are standing here in front of our SMD line. Of course there's no reflow oven and no pick and place machine because they would not fit in here, but in fact it's only the ASYS modules. So we start here with a speed module with a loader of an SMD line, and it has the possibility to get loaded via an AMR. We are a small robot device who is able to drive totally autonomously. And afterwards, regarding traceability, there will be a laser machine, our Insignum 3000, who is capable of bringing DMC codes, a unique ID, to the line. So everything can be monitored and traced even after the product was finished. This is monitored by our really unique software Simplex. Every machine from the ASYS group has this possibility. So it's really friendly and it really has a nice possibility, like just the tablet back home, to swip and swipe it. Afterwards, there's cleaning, because cleaning is also pretty important when it comes to the printing process afterwards, because if there is some dust on it, it won't be great. Also, the Serio 4000 is one of the main machines of our company's daughter EKA, who is in charge of all the stencil and printing processes. Later on, we have our handling modules, buffers, and traceability modules like Insignum 3000 Scan, to have the possibility to trace the PCBs down the line and to know where the PCB is up next. So those processes can be stabled and monitored.
Fantastic quality control, I can
yes,
see.
So
can you take us on to the next step of this journey?
The next step is, this is only on the machine level. If we go a little bit more on top, our Pulse Pro suite is also included here. So we have interfaces like Hermes, product change, ICnet, and even live watch of all our machines. So we have the possibility to take a look into the machines while they're producing, and also the changeover of the machines can be adapted and be taken care of by our Pulse Pro suite. It's like the brain of the facility. And this is all also mentioned in this whole production line.
So Thomas, where are we now?
Yeah, right now we are standing in front of our depaneling machine, Divisio 5000. As you can say, it's the back end of our production site. As we just been before on our SMD line, it's the front end, it's the producing, it's the connecting of components to PCBs. And now it's our turn to depanel the machines. And depaneling is always, the first thing is the higher, the faster, the better. So this machine totally takes care of these requirements from the market. It's our 5th generation. Also, regarding the software, it's our Simplex software, as we have seen before on the SMD line. And it will be brought out now in the next couple of months. The loading and the unloading will be done again by robots. So this means the operator does not need it anymore. In front of the machine we have also a machine of the ASYS group. It's called a testing machine. this testing machine generates good and bad boards, so the machine always has the possibility to separate them. The good boards can be processed on, and the bad ones can be brought outside, maybe for rework or just throw them away. So we have a lot more value to the supply chain. Nothing is wasted. The unloading of the machine is a Pario 800. It's made by our company Tecton. It's also the possibility to load and unload trays fully autonomously with an RML. So you see the whole line can work 20.5 shifts a week without any operator. That's huge because you don't need to take care of the machine anymore. All is monitored and all is taken care of by our ASYS Pro and the machines here.
Thomas, thank you so much.
Welcome.